There's no denying that elephants are some of the smartest animals alive. They have excellent memories, can recognize themselves in the mirror, and display self-awareness. Plus, they can even plan for the future. But why are they so smart? Today we'll explore some of the reasons why these majestic creatures are among the most intelligent on our planet. Hi, and welcome to this channel. Let's get into the facts. Fact no. 1. It's all about those brain cells. Elephant brains are the largest of any land animal, weighing in at around 6 kilograms. By comparison, a human brain weighs just over 3 kilograms. More brain cells don't automatically make an animal smarter, but it certainly doesn't hurt. The sheer number of neurons in an elephant's brain allows for more complex thought processes and better memory recall than in any other land mammal. In fact, an elephant has about twice as many neurons as a chimpanzee, 3 times as many as a dog, and an astounding 10 times as many as a mouse. However, it's not just the quantity of brain cells, but also their quality and how they're connected that contributes to an animal's intelligence. And here too, elephants have an advantage. Fact 2. Highly developed cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the brain responsible for higher cognitive functions such as decision-making, problem-solving, and language processing. In elephants, this part of the brain is much more developed than in other animals. Specifically, the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in planning and social cognition, is particularly large. Studies have shown that this area of the elephant brain is similar in size and complexity to that of humans. This advanced prefrontal cortex allows elephants to engage in complex social interactions, plan for the future, use tools, and exhibit self-awareness. For example, elephants will plan for future meals by hoarding food or water. They also use tools like sticks to scratch themselves in hard tourage places and mirrors, to check out parts of their bodies they can't see directly. Fact 3. Excellent memory. An elephant's memory is truly remarkable. They can remember the location of water holes during droughts, the routes to and from migration feeding grounds, and even the faces of their caretakers. Their memories are so good that they can recognize people they've only met once and will remember them for the rest of their lives. Elephants also never forget where food is hidden, even if it's been years since they've been there before. Scientists believe this incredible memory is due to the size of the elephant brain and the complexity of its neural network. Fact 4. Social intelligence. Elephants live in tightly knit family groups led by a matriarch. This means that elephants have to be socially intelligent to navigate their complex social structures and maintain their position within the hierarchy. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and gestures, and they have to be able to read the subtle cues of their fellow elephants to avoid conflict and maintain harmony within the group. Female elephants are particularly adept at this, as they tend to live in larger groups and have to compete for resources and mates. Studies have shown that female elephants have larger brains than males, which may be related to their need for greater social intelligence. Fact 5. Problem-solving abilities. Elephants are capable of solving complex problems, which contributes to their reputation as some of the smartest animals on Earth. For example, they can figure out how to use a lever to obtain food, water, or other desired items. They can also use tools to achieve their objectives. In one experiment, elephants were presented with a B-shaped puzzle feeder that dispensed food when a red ball was placed inside. The elephants quickly learned to figure out how to solve the puzzle and obtain their reward. This demonstrates their ability to understand cause and effect relationships and to use logic to solve problems. Elephants are truly remarkable animals with intelligence rivaling our own. Their large brains, highly developed cortexes, excellent memories, and social intelligence all contribute to their status as some of the smartest animals on Earth. So next time you see an elephant, remember that these gentle giants are more than just big, beautiful creatures. They're incredibly intelligent beings with a lot to teach us about the world around us. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.